Are you tired of the pain and discomfort of Brazilian waxing? Imagine a world where waxing prioritizes your skin's health. Welcome to 2026, where everything has changed. Today, we explore the innovations redefining Brazilian waxing. For years, waxing left us with irritation, redness, and ingrown hairs. It was never a pleasant experience. But now, it's about comfort and self-care. The future embraces advanced techniques and science. New wax formulas focus more on your skin than just hair removal. They ensure a gentle, soothing experience while being effective. These next-gen waxes have fewer chemicals and more skin-loving ingredients. Imagine wax that's hypoallergenic and enriched with prebiotics. They also include botanicals like calendula and CBD. These natural ingredients calm your skin and promote healing. Prebiotics and postbiotics help balance your skin's microbiome. This reduces irritation for a better experience overall. Adaptogens now play a role too. They restore skin balance and reduce inflammation. Waxing is evolving into a holistic treatment, not just a hair removal method. But how does this work? Skin mapping techniques personalize each treatment for you. This minimizes trauma while maximizing hair removal efficiency. Advanced tools now offer faster, more precise results. And with highly trained professionals, your waxing experience is gentle and effective. Post-wax care is just as essential as the waxing itself. New products effectively prevent ingrown hairs and reduce redness. Innovative enzyme exfoliants and calming masks aid recovery beautifully. They create a complete post-wax routine, leaving your skin smooth and healthy for days. Waxing is becoming a true wellness experience. Thanks to these breakthroughs, it's now less painful with fewer complications. Say goodbye to irritation and hello to happy, healthy skin. Brazilian waxing is now a self-care ritual. Seek practitioners who utilize these innovations. Experience waxing the way it should be, safe and empowering. The future of Brazilian waxing is smooth, confident, and focused on wellness. If you found this video helpful, hit like, subscribe, and turn on notifications. Explore more beauty innovations in 2026. Your skin deserves the future of self-care, starting today.